Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this white GMC slash Volvo. Now this has a little Cummins in it, the LT10 plus a 9-speed. This truck was driven about 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours to our sales site. It runs excellent. I've had it running here this morning for about an hour sitting here. Overall, nice condition inside and out. I was told that the blower motor was rebuilt on this truck and everything works. It's a tandem axle. It has a Hendrickson spring suspension. I can't tell you the exact mileage. It has a digital gauge. It's really hard to read. It sells Sunday, May 8th. It's located in Miles City, Montana. Thanks for looking.